Hi, in the previous two videos of this series, I have covered question number 1 to question number 5 in the first video and question 6 to question 10 in the second video. In this video, we will be covering question 11 to question 15. So let's move on to question number 11. If ABC form an AP with a common difference of D, then the value of A minus 2B minus C is equal to which of the choice given below? So now how to solve this question? If we look at the choices are all in terms of A and D. So what we will do is we'll try to write A, B and C in terms of A and D. Here in our expression A minus 2B minus C. Now since A, B and C form an arithmetic progression, I can write that B is equal to A plus D, the previous term plus the common difference. And similarly, C can be written as B plus D, but B is A plus D. So I can write A plus D, which gives me A plus 2D. So I am able to write B and C in terms of A and D because all my choices, if I see, are in terms of A and D only. And now in this expression we will substitute the value. So A will be kept as it is, B will be written as A plus D. Please remember to put the bracket around A plus D so that you can distribute this -2 properly. Then a minus and again a bracket, value of C, which is A plus 2D. I'll distribute this minus sign here. So I'll get A minus 2 times A is minus 2A and minus 2 times D is minus 2D. And here when I distribute the negative sign, I get negative A, negative 2D. So this positive A, negative A cancels off and I'm left with minus 2A and minus 2D and minus 2D makes a minus 4D. So my choice is choice C. That's the correct answer. So I hope this question is clear to everyone. Let us move on to the next question, which is question number 12. The value of each observation of a statistical data is increased by 3, then the mean of the data remains unchanged, increases by 3, or increases by 6, or increases by 3n. Let us try to solve this question by taking an example. Let the three numbers whose mean you are trying to find out be 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now we find the mean of 2, 3 and 4. It is 2 plus 3 plus 4 divided by 3. Mean is the sum of the observations divided by the number of observations, which gives me a 9 over 3, which is nothing but 3. Now what am I doing? Increasing each term by 3. So when I increase each term by 3, the new terms are 5, 6 and 7. And let me try to find the mean of it. 5 plus 6 plus 7. Still there are 3 observations. So this is 18 by 3, which is 6. So what is happening here? It's not remaining unchanged. It is not increasing by 6. It is not increasing by 3n, but it is increases by 3. This is your correct choice. 3 plus 3 gives you a 6. I hope this is clear. Okay, so here the correct answer is choice B. Let us move on to question number 13 now. Question 13 says, the probability of happening of an event is denoted by P. So probability of an event E. Probability that the event E occurs is P, and the probability of non-happening of an event. So probability of non-happening of an event is given by E bar, the complement event, and this is Q. And we know that the sum of the probabilities of event and its complement is always equal to 1. Am I right? So we will get P plus Q is equal to 1, and hence our choice is choice A. Very simple question. Let's move on to question number 14. A girl calculates that her probability of winning the first prize in a lottery is 0.08. So the probability of winning is 0.08, which is nothing but 8 by 100. And how many tickets are sold? There are 6,000 tickets sold. So how many tickets she should buy so that she has a winning probability of 0.08? So the number of tickets bought . should be equal to the probability, which is 8 by 100 times 6,000, which gives you 480 tickets should be bought by that girl. Okay, so the answer is choice C. Very easy and direct question. We're able to solve it really quick. And now the last question of this video, which is question number 15. This is also a very common question. While practicing for the exam, you must have surely come across this question. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial x square plus x minus 1, then 1 plus alpha plus 1 plus beta is equal to what? Okay, now let us write down the polynomial. The polynomial here, if we compare it with ax square plus bx plus c, what do I get? A is 1, b is 1 and c is negative 1. If alpha and beta are the roots or the zeros of this polynomial, then the sum of the roots alpha plus beta is minus b by a, which is minus 1 by 1, which is minus 1. And the product of the roots alpha into beta is c by a, which is again minus 1 by 1, which is minus 1. Correct? Now let us look at the expression whose value I have to find out, 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. I can write this by making the common denominator alpha beta, and in the numerator I'll get alpha plus beta. Okay, what is alpha plus beta? Minus 1. What is alpha beta? Minus 1. We use the values from here, and so we get 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is equal to 1. Minus 1 over 1 fetches you a 1. Okay, and so our answer is choice A. So I hope these questions, question 11 to question 15, is very clear to everyone. In our next video, we will be covering question 16 to question 20. If you have any doubts in these questions, you can send me an email at kirti.mathacademy@gmail.com. This is my YouTube channel, Mathacademy. If you have liked my videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.